In this video, I'll talk about landing your first internship with zero experience. It can be challenging to think about getting your first internship as the tech industry is going through recession. In this video, I'll cover top 3 tips that will help set your profile apart from other candidates. These tips will help you land interview and eventually get internships. Then, I'll talk about interview preparation and its difficulties. And finally, we'll wrap up our discussion with 2 critical questions. First, should you do unpaid internship? And second, what to do before, during, and after internship to advance your career in the tech industry. My name is Akash, and for those of you who are new to the channel, I'm a software engineer at Microsoft. Let's get started. First, let's talk about tips to improve your resume. Companies will select candidates to interview based on their past internship experience, university, and relevant projects. As you are planning for your first internship, you would not have any prior experience. Therefore, there will be very little information to put on your resume. Hence, I would recommend that you create one-page resume for your applications. In that one page, ensure to list relevant projects and skills that are required for a particular position. For each project, upload code with README file on GitHub. If possible, collaborate with other students on projects using GitHub. When you are collaborating with other students on project, ensure to create branches, pull requests, and write good commit messages for your contribution. This will help interviewer identify your contribution on a project and showcase your ability to work on a project in team environment. And this workflow would be very similar to how you'll be working in a company in a team. If project is web application or mobile application, then host it using free services like Netlify and include link in your resume. Providing link to hosted application and GitHub code will back your claim of working on the project and make your resume stronger. Apart from this, you can contribute to an open source project. For example, let's consider Pandas package in Python. You could contribute something to this package and include it in your resume. Contributing code to open source project as an inexperienced developer can be a daunting task. But don't worry, you can contribute by creating or updating new documentation on the package, or you can contribute by updating a doc string where you have found a spelling mistake. Even doing something small will count significantly towards your achievement and will help you land interviews for internships. If your goal is to find internship for roles such as data analyst or data engineering without relevant skills, then you can just do a project in that field. In the project, you can utilize skills and tools that are critical for landing these roles. For example, you can use Spark for processing and analyzing data, and then use Power BI to create a report and host it online for free. After that, you can include those skills and experience on your resume and apply for your dream role. And finally, participating in hackathons and coding competition and winning them will significantly improve your resume. When you are participating in hackathon, try to collaborate with your seniors. This will help you network and get good mentorships. Moreover, it will increase your chances of winning the competition as you'll have experience of your seniors. Easiest way to participate in such event is via your college. Most colleges and universities tend to have some form of coding events every year. If your universities do not have any coding event, then network and find an event near you that you can participate in. Apart from hackathons, you can also participate in LeetCode and HackerRank competitions. These competitions are hosted online and are on weekly or bi-weekly intervals. Ensure to include link to your LeetCode and HackerRank profile on your resume. In short, you can improve your resume significantly by doing these 4 things. First, participating in coding events. Second, contributing to open source project. Third, doing online certifications and courses. Fourth, doing relevant projects and hosting them online. I would say having open source contribution or winning a famous hackathon is easiest way to get interviews for internships. And that would be true for most reputed companies even if you do not have any prior internship experience. Now let's talk about applying to positions strategically to increase your chances of landing internship. First, I will recommend that you should optimize your LinkedIn profile for better visibility and search. I have made a video on optimizing your LinkedIn profile. You can check it out from here. After optimizing your LinkedIn profile, start applying to companies that are small to medium size and ensure that the position that you are applying to has less applicants. As you have zero experience, established company will be hesitant to provide you with opportunities. They are more likely to provide opportunities to the students from top universities or students with stellar credentials. However, startup companies and mid-sized companies will be more flexible in providing opportunities. And you can easily reach out to their CEOs and CTOs for networking and internship opportunities. If you are able to show your passion and enthusiastic behavior by providing good feedback or suggestion on their product, then they might as well give you an internship. Now let's look at how we can properly filter positions on LinkedIn. Apart from that, utilize your university's internal job portal for any potential internship opportunities. You can also utilize other platforms such as Indeed for the internship opportunities. I have made a video on applying for jobs strategically. You can check it out here. Final tip that I want to talk about is importance of networking. Networking can play a significant role in landing your first internship with zero experience. There are 3 different places where you'll be able to do good networking. First, attend conferences and talk by companies. Ensure to research speaker, their organization and topic of discussion before attending. After event, try to network with speaker by providing suggestions or asking questions on the topic. If the speaker finds you excited or enthusiastic enough, they might offer you an opportunity. Second way to network would be to attend hackathons. Often companies tend to host hack events and send their engineers to evaluate solutions. This would be a great opportunity to establish connections in the company, and this will allow you to reach out to them directly when you are applying for the internship position with the company. And just like that, this one connection can help you land an internship. And last, you can reach out to seniors within your universities who have just interned and ask for referral. Often after doing internship, seniors will be converted into full-time position and their internship position would be vacant. This will give you an opportunity to fill that position. You can also reach out to alumni of your university in the industry. For most people, university experience is very precious and have deep attachment. You reaching out to them will remind them of their precious experience and provide common ground. There's a very high chance that they will go above and beyond to help you land your first internship opportunity. So try to explore all networking avenues. It will play a crucial role in landing your first internship. Next, let's talk about interview prep. Interviews for internship are going to be an online assessment followed by 1 to 2 rounds. Coding questions in this round are easy to medium lead code questions. Make sure you know your resume in and out and prepare for behavioral round. For answering behavioral question, follow STAR method. In certain situations, companies might ask you to do take-home assignments. I have advised against take-home assignments for full-time positions in my other videos. But for internship positions, I would encourage you to do them. Regardless if you get hired or not, you can always convert take-home assignments into project and upload it on GitHub and make your resume stronger. And ensure to ask for feedback after submitting the assignment. Now let's talk about unpaid internship. My advice is simple. Do not do unpaid internship. However, if you still want to do it, then I would suggest following things. Ensure you have a mentor during internship who can teach you. Do not opt for full-time position in the office. Make sure you can work remotely and on your own time because traveling and relocating can cost money and time. Remember, you are not getting paid, so this is like you paying company for the internship. And last, upon completion, you are given positive recommendation on LinkedIn. This is not optional. You have provided significant amount of your time to the company, and the very least that the company can do is to provide small amount of time to write recommendation. Unpaid internship are similar to doing volunteering, and therefore, just like volunteering, you should decide the terms and scope of the opportunity. If you are not getting mentorship, recommendation, and flexible hours, then unpaid opportunity is not worth it. Focus on doing personal project or participating in hackathon instead. Finally, if you have an internship, then how can you prepare for it? And how can you plan for future? Before you start internship, brush up on your computer science fundamentals. Find out tools and languages that you'll be using during internship and start learning them in depth. Doing this will better prepare you to deliver results during your internship. During the internship, focus on getting regular feedback and mentorship. Observe working and collaborating style of senior engineers in your team and start learning from it. Try to establish context by networking within the company and learn to communicate blockers. This will help you succeed in the internship. Most companies tend to convert their interns into full-time employees upon the completion of the internship. So having good understanding of company culture and your team will help you make the right decision when you're offered a position. If you are doing internship during the 3rd year of the university, you'll have scope of doing additional internship during the 4th year. Then you can try to apply for big tech companies in the 4th year using the experience you already have. And there's a very high chance that you'll land the opportunity. Finally, you can convert that opportunity into full-time position. Remember, internships should be fun experience for you. It provides you with an opportunity to explore and learn what it would be like to work in the tech industry. Utilize internships to explore domains that interest you the most. And finally, utilize them for networking and landing full-time opportunities in the tech industry. So that's it for this video. Hope you found it useful. Please like, share and subscribe. And as always, if you have any question, please comment below and I'll try my best to answer them. See you in the next one. Thanks.